Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can fix an NFC reader tag not working on iPhone. So the first step is you need to open up your settings and make sure that you are using the latest iOS. If not, make sure to update your iOS. Now, once you're done with the updating, the next step is you need to check your iPhone model. While all iPhone models released after the iPhone 6 have NFC capabilities, some specific models like iPhone 6, 6S, and SE support NFC exclusively for Apple Pay only. Then the next step is you need to restart your iPhone. If NFC is not working due to temporary glitches, restarting your iPhone will help resolve it and save you a lot of time. The last thing that you can do is remove cases. Bulky cases or magnetic accessories can impact your iPhone's ability to send or receive NFC signals. Hence, removing any accessories is best to ensure optimal NFC functionality. So, that's the process of how you can fix NFC tag not working on iPhone.